In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule blog posts in GoDaddy website. If you want your content to go live at the perfect time without being at your keyboard, this walkthrough will make it simple. You'll find the link to the GoDaddy website right at the top of the description so you can follow along as we go. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your website dashboard. This is your home base for everything on your site. From there, open the marketing section, then select blog. That's where you'll create and manage all of your posts. Click Create Post to start a new article. Add your title and write your content in the editor. Keep your paragraphs scannable and add images to break up the text and make it engaging. You can assign categories to help readers and search engines understand your topics, and choose a featured image that represents the post in lists and previews. A clear, high-quality featured image makes a big difference in how your blog looks across your site. Once your post is ready, it's time to schedule it. Look toward the corner of your editor. Depending on your view, the publish controls may appear in the top right or bottom right. Find a button or drop-down labeled Publish or Immediately. Open that menu and choose the option that says Set Publish Date or Schedule. A calendar and time picker will appear. Select the exact date and time you want your post to go live. Before you confirm, double-check your time zone settings to make sure the schedule matches your audience's local time. Choosing a time when your readers are most active can increase views and engagement. Also, make sure the time isn't set in the past. Otherwise, it may publish right away. When you're happy with the date and time, select Schedule again in the confirmation window to finalize. You'll see the post appear in the Schedule tab inside your blog dashboard. That's your confirmation that everything is set. From there, GoDaddy will automatically publish your post on the date and time you selected, with no extra steps from you. That's it. You've created a post, added your visuals and categories, and scheduled it to publish automatically. If you need to make changes later, open the Schedule tab to adjust the date, update the content, or publish immediately if plans change. And remember, the link to the GoDaddy website is at the very top of the description so you can get started right away. Thanks for watching.